Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to talk about a sound that almost nobody likes, the alarm clock. It's the sound that drags us out of bed in the morning, but have you ever wondered why it sounds the way it does and how it has changed over time? Let's find out. The alarm clock sound is loud, repetitive, and designed to be annoying. Classic alarm clocks make a metallic ring, 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 while digital ones usually go beep, beep, beep. The whole point is simple. It has to be so unpleasant that you can't ignore it, even if you're half asleep. There are a few main types of alarm sounds. Mechanical bells, the old-school twin bell alarm clock that rings non-stop until you turn it off. Digital beeps, sharp electronic tones that repeat again and again. Smartphone alarms, these can play anything, from soft chimes to your favorite song, or even something funny, like a rooster crowing. Here are some fun facts about alarm clocks. The very first mechanical alarm clock was invented in 1787 by Levi Hutchins in New Hampshire, USA. But here's the funny part. His clock could only ring at 4 a.m. because that's when he wanted to wake up. It wasn't adjustable at all. It wasn't until the late 1800s that adjustable alarm clocks became available. That's when people could finally choose when they wanted to wake up, not just at 4 in the morning. In the 19th century, before alarm clocks were common, people in Britain and Ireland actually hired knocker-uppers, human alarm clocks. They would walk around early in the morning and tap on your window with a long stick, or even blow peas through a straw to wake you up. Imagine having someone paid just to make sure you don't oversleep. Studies show that gentle alarm tones, like soft melodies or natural sounds, help people wake up in a better mood and with better focus. Harsh beeps might wake you faster, but they can make you groggy or stressed. Alarms don't just wake us up. Some apps even make you solve puzzles or do math problems before they turn off, just to make sure you're really awake. Let's listen to a few alarm clock sounds. First, the classic twin bell ring, ring, ring. Next, the digital beep, beep, beep. And finally, a modern smartphone alarm. Something a little softer. So, the alarm clock is more than just an annoying noise. It's a sound with history, evolution, and a big impact on our daily lives. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other episodes. And now, set your alarm. And good luck waking up tomorrow.